In this video, I will share with you how to fill Visa Spain application form online. So friends, to fill your visa application, go to Google, search for this keyword. As you can see here, click the first website, and then you will see this page. From here, choose your country that you should become. For example, UK, this one. Choose your residence, for your country, and then just wait. You will see this page. This is for BLS International. For Spain of Spain in London, you should be book appointment, and then you should be book appointment from here. This is the first step. When you click book an appointment, you should be complete your all this form, and then you can track your application from here. So friends, just click on book appointment, and then you can fill your details. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, if give like and give share this video for more content.